How much should you walk your dog? Well, if your dog is young and healthy, you should probably walk them a lot, and that's probably good for you too. The more exercise the dog gets, the better the behavior is likely to be, and the better your bonding with the dog will be. The more you walk and take that primal relationship with the dog to the next level, the better it's going to be. If your dog's getting old and has a hard time walking around, then obviously you got to cut it down. But as much as you can give it, your dog is going to be happy with, I believe.